Talk about the Reddit IPO. The news came out yesterday after the call that they're looking to IPO in March. Back in 2021, when they first tried the IPO, they were valued at $10 billion. Interested to see what they come up with this time around. But Reddit does a lot in revenue. The Information, which is a tech focused publication, reported they did about $800 million in ad revenue last year, which is a 20% year-over-year increase. So business is growing. They definitely benefited from the strong year in digital advertising. Then again, so did every name in the space, evidenced by Meta, Snapchat, Pinterest, all up huge on the 1 year growth. And then I just want to talk about real quick on our themes call yesterday. We did flag two really important things that will affect social media stocks in 2024, and especially Reddit as they go public. The first one is engagement. Mobile time spent on social media apps in the US and globally have been declining. In the US, TikTok's engagement growth flipped negative in September and has continued to decline from there. Facebook and Instagram flipped negative in November, and December was worse. Snapchat, Pinterest, and X have had negative year-over-year percent engagement growth since October 2022. So when Reddit does go public in March, it'll likely be during a time where they'll be competing a lot harder for share of engagement in a slowing space. The other thing that we flagged in the themes call, which I think is actually a positive for Reddit, is that we're in the reallocation phase of the digital ad cycle. And during the reallocation phase of the digital ad cycle, we see declining return on ad spend occurring across the landscape, which causes experimental budgets to be increased. And platforms like Snapchat, Pinterest, and Reddit will benefit more as advertisers and marketers look for a better ROI. Andrew also flagged in the call yesterday that we should anticipate pricing, in particular CPMs, to do more of the heavy lifting as it relates to total digital revenue, meaning that engagement and impressions will rebound. So we should expect prices for advertising to increase. This will also be aided by we have the Olympics this year. It's a political year, so that all together should create a rising tide effect, which will benefit Reddit, it will benefit Snapchat, it will benefit Pinterest, it will benefit Twitter, it will benefit everything. So bring that all together. Reddit is IPOing. It's not a great time. It's not a terrible time for it. And we'll definitely be covering the event and likely doing a Black Ink on it once we get that S1. So stay tuned.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.